Hey, what is up guys? Today we will be playing World of Warships, as you can see. Well, let's get to it. So, this is only my second time playing the game, so I'm not really that good. But I'm playing a co-op battle. Random map and random battle mode. But let's try and aim for a win. I don't really know what's going on. It's just loading. Guess I'm with another person. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Okay. So where are we going? I think we're going this way. Sorry guys, like my first time playing the game. Yeah. I think we're going this way. Okay. Now, come on. There we go.
Battle starts.
I don't see anyone yet. So yeah. Hold our fire for now. Okay, I still don't see anyone. This is a very quiet
Enemy
game.
force sighted on the horizon.
Oh, there we go. Island. Gone a long way for that. Dang, that's far away. Trying to get a sneaky shot on him. Oh, that's like why we might hit. Too far. Yeah, that way? Okay, right there. Oh, that might hit him. Oh, barely. Okay, like the whole edge is spotted now. We're in some deep trouble. Oh, someone's trying to hit me. I'm fine. I'm trying to get some sneaky hits. So this dude does not look like this ship is the best at making right? Or is that just me? That might just be me, but what there just got a hit on there. That hit first. I'm heading out like the middle of nowhere though right now. So try and get it. Maybe yeah. Oh, that all just hit it. That was a lot of hits. Whoa, buddy. Okay, you wanna play? I'm getting hit in like 7 different places right now. Got hit. Jeez, holy this dude is not going to have a fight. There we go.
Enemy cruiser destroyed. Our team has taken the lead.
Oh my gosh. It's like we'll have to join a new game. Dang. How is it did mine? Black Swan, but electronic with high maneuverability. What are these two? Like 45 and 49. I'm at 82. So I'm probably going to go with Borland. I think I'm pronouncing that right. I'm sorry if I'm not. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that. I mean, it even looks cool. Like, you have to admit that thing does look cool. But, yeah. It's good. Okay. That's gonna be my ship. You know what I really want? I really want an aircraft carrier. Like, they look so cool, but I just can't afford one yet. So, yeah, I might make this game become a series, guys. It's probably gonna be the last battle though. So, it's like, as I said, I'm new to this game, so I wonder what that orange dude over there is. I mean, maybe he's on my team, but is he just like a higher rank than me or something? That way it's orange. Like, look up here. Whoa, okay.
General quarters.
Like, that dude right there, like, is he just computer player or something?
Let's give them a hard time.
Yeah. Let's just get on autopilot to here.
Autopilot mode enabled. Autopilot mode disabled.
But yeah, I don't see anyone right now, but so someone must spot it over here. It's a little too far out of my range. Ooh, person right there. A little closer. Might be able to get. Surrounded right now. I'm coming up against I'm surprised he's not moving up at me yet. Oh, and I jinxed it. And I haven't hit them once. That's great. Oh, let's cripple it. Ooh, wow, man. Barely up. Ooh, this is... What the hell? Yes.
Our victory is in sight.
Ooh, I was lucky that hit the water. Whoa. Nearly dead. Oh.
Enemy cruiser destroyed. Our victory is in sight.
Well, that victory looks like it's going to be the end for this video, guys. Bye.